Not content with regular chin-ups, this guy's upper body and core strength is absolutely insane as he effortlessly flips weights with his legs. When this guy's backflip between two piers doesn't exactly go to plan, his lightning reflexes and agility saved him from taking a dip. When your goalkeeper is a little slow to react, put him on a mini excavator and watch his skills improve. I guess Transformers, I have no idea what's going on here, but let's just take a moment to appreciate the skills of these students. You think you've got good balance? Not compared to this girl. She's able to flip 3 bowls onto her head, all while balancing on a board. She's gonna be a great waitress one day. The latest high-octane sport this summer is a modern twist on a family favorite. Grandpa flipping, recommended ages 60 and up, seniors not included. Making sure everyone has their fair share isn't easy. We could all use a couple lessons from this baker. What's the best way to sharpen your slingshot skills? How about target practice with water droplets?
Nice.
The amount of height this dancer can get after just a short run-up is absolutely breathtaking. Combining his love of football and recycling, this guy impressed some garbage collectors with his fancy footwork. He should get paid for doing their job for them.
Thank you very much, brother.
Ever needed the beer bottle cap removed from a distance? Scroll slingshot sharpshooting means no one goes thirsty ever again.
Headshot.
This guy can scale a rock climbing wall faster than I can take the stairs. While he'll claim it takes a vice-like grip and immense upper body strength, the key is just to not look down. Liam Pitchford has some powerful shots in his arsenal, although none are quite as impressive as his behind-the-back trick shot that fool his opponents every time. This guy must have practiced casting nets for years. He can make it spread out and land in the right place in only one movement. I wonder how many fish he can catch with that thing. People complain about robot workers slowly stealing our jobs, but if you watch this guy cook mini pancakes, it's clear they've been here for some time already. Water skiing is one of those sports that looks easy by those that do it well. You really have to try and fail to truly appreciate how much skill goes into just staying upright.
Bye, have a great time.
This guy turns an innocent exercise into a death-defying dismount. I don't know what's more hypnotic, this girl's eye-bending outfit or her blazingly fast display of hula hoop mastery. Either way, it's difficult to look away. There's a reason Asian cuisine tastes so good. When this kind of skill, flair, and fun is happening in the kitchen, the food is guaranteed to taste amazing. This guy's dance with curved LED blades is the kind of hypnotic light show you'd probably find at EDC or Tomorrowland. There's nothing worse than finishing up a brand new concrete driveway only for an inconsiderate bug to come and land right in the middle of your still wet masterpiece. Hula hooping isn't just about keeping a thin ring of plastic circling your hips. These days, the moves are so fast and difficult, and then someone turns the lights off. The upper and core strength of this guy is absolutely insane. Using only the power of his body, he propels himself up a 5-level shelf rack and back down again. Don't try this at home. Seriously, the chances of throwing a hammer in the air and having it land like that are little to none. I guess that's one way of getting the job done. Hockey players often use a treadmill to practice their puck control skills. This guy pulled out a floorball stick and straight up defied gravity just for fun. How much trust do you need to give this a shot? Luckily, he's a sharpshooter with a football. This guy's just hit the double XP on Tony Hawk Pro Skater and is going for the top score. This has got to be the ultimate test of strength, balance, and trusting your best friend. 3 full flips before standing on the other guy's feet? How is this possible? At first glance, I thought we were watching a little kid skating sideways. Nope, it's just a guy flexing some splits while skating in a circle. That hurts just looking at him. A front flip into the splits? I'm convinced this girl has no bones. Remind me again why we have bottle openers? All you need is a speedboat, couple life jackets, and this guy, of course. His skill with a football can't be understated. The way he blends flowing acrobatics with expert ball control is hypnotic to watch. Doing one bottle flip is impressive, but landing a second on top all while blindfolded? That's gotta be close to impossible.
I did it! Let's go!
This guy just found a glitch in his local park that allows him to do a full 360 on the inside of a guardrail on his scooter. Coming into a ski jump in reverse, this guy needed to steady his backflip before landing this insane maneuver. If the vending machine steals your money, most people give it a little nudge. This guy straight up stomped it. Impressive, but he's still not getting his Snickers bar. No matter how easy this guy makes it look, there's nothing simple about flipping from a handstand position and then back onto your hands. They say that having good aim is as easy as keeping your eye on the ball, but what if the basket won't stay still? Not a problem for this guy.
Yeah, boy.
This guy's speed and balance up a pole means that if gymnastics doesn't work out, he can always be a firefighter.
It's time to stop. It's time to stop, okay?
This guy's perfected his mini axe throwing. What's one mistake when you nail every other attempt from a distance? Old man's got skills. This guy's about to make 50% of the people watching this video double over in pain. That kind of flexibility looks unnatural, yet this guy can pull off splits that go past 180 degrees.
I am Jose Mourinho.
These trick shots have to be seen to be believed. First up, a behind-the-head kick gets nothing but net, and then this guy's able to score a hole-in-one with his favorite golf club. Who said you need a trampoline to practice high-flying acrobatic maneuvers? All you need is a bendy board that can hold your weight and a few strong friends. This Chinese acrobatic team wanted to do some skipping, but they were all out of jump rope. Luckily, they're able to improvise. This motorcycle rider knows his bike, darting in and out of traffic cones with ease. Gotta watch the road though, I can hear scraping. Yeah! With the right angle and a skillful flick of the wrist, boomerangs should come right back to you. There's a common saying, just because you can do something doesn't mean you should. This guy can ride the world's most awkward unicycle, but it doesn't look like a whole lot of fun. When there's no stairs or ladder to get the stage, that's not a problem for this guy. But with that quick dismount, anyone would think he's shy. This routine is called monkey going up a tree. There's nothing simple about it at all. When you spent all your money on ski equipment and forgot to book the lift passes, you gotta get creative with how you hit the slopes. Free running is one thing, but how about this front flip into a backflip followed by his best blue steel? Spinning a staff this fast, anyone would think this girl's practicing to be a helicopter.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Mongolian Hawkeye didn't get the same kind of funding his Marvel counterpart did, but his horseback archery skills are something no one can match. What do acrobats and dancers have in common? The same routines apparently. Watch how flawless and precise each of this guy's moves are. Not everyone can bend it like Beckham. It takes an insane amount of skill to curve the ball like that. I seriously don't know how this was done. I wouldn't even know where to start from. He deserved a bigger celebration than that for sure. This snowboarder just wanted to get a quick nap in before tackling the rest of the run. Most people that can keep 3 balls in the air simultaneously will tell you they can juggle. Well, that's nothing compared to the 7-ball spectacle this circus performer can manage. In today's episode of Hold My Beer, that's literally all you have to do for this dirt biker to take the cap off. This pro parasurfer really knows how to hop those sandbars and throw a front somersault in for good measure as well. This guy's baseball swing makes you do a double take. Make that a triple. With enough wrist power, he's able to triple spin the bat mid-swing and still catch it right way up. This snowboarder's air is so perfect, he's able to tap the slopes for good luck.